Hi. In recent versions of 3ds Studio Max, there is a problem with the zoom selected, where if you have an object with an edit mesh or an editable mesh or editable poly, also an object with edit patch or editable patch. Also, this problem happens with the 2D shapes with edit spline modifier or editable spline. In all these cases, if you go to any sub-object level and without selecting anything, and you press Z, Max will zoom extends all instead of zoom extends on the selected object. If I go out from the sub-object level, press Z again, it will work. Here, for example, editable poly, go to any sub-object level, press Z, so it will zoom extends all. Also in the 2D shapes, in the patch. The only exception where this function works properly is when you have a 3D object with an edit poly modifier. Now I will go to any sub-object level and press Z on the keyboard. It will work normally. Actually, this is how it should work on all of these cases. So I created a script that you can use to replace the built-in zoom selected. Now I installed my script. I created a button for it, and I also created a shortcut for it, which is Z. I removed the Z from the built-in function I added to my script. So now, if I click here, go to any sub-object level, click the button, it will zoom in like it should be. Also, I will try with another object, the editable poly. Now I will use the shortcut Z. Now it works with my script. It works. Also 2D shapes. And in case nothing is selected or multiple objects selected, also you can use this script here. It will work like the built-in one. So basically that's it, and in the description you can download the script. There will be a notepad inside to help you install the script, create a button for it or a shortcut. And if you like this script, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, maybe use the thanks button to support the channel for the free content, and see you in the next video. Thank you.